Okay, so in this video, I'm going to go over some basic syntax in Markdown. So a few things that you'll use pretty often is the header. So, there's going to be different type of headers. You have £1, which is the highest level. You have a H2, which is a second. You have a H3, and so on. So this is good for, creating different sections in your documentation. You have the bold text. So for bold text, you'll have the two stars, and you have italics. So that one is just 1 star, and you might want to do bold and italics. So in that case, you're going to use 3. And you also have, you might want to do some block quotes. So for block quote, you'll use the greater than symbol. So this might be good if you have like a section of maybe instructions that you want to point out. And next we have what's called the ordered list. So for ordered lists, you could just, type out something like 1, 2, 3. And after that, you have the unordered list. So for unordered lists, you could just use the dashes and it'll create bullet points over here. And if you have, let's say, like a chunk of code, then you'll type the little dash here that's next to your escape key, or it's not really a dash, it's like a special quote. And then maybe you have a link that you want to add to your documentation. So for that, you're going to have the name of your link inside the brackets. And inside, you'll have your website. So in this case, I'm just going to use everyone's favorite website, just Google. And then maybe you have a picture you want to insert. You'll do something similar, but you're going to have a exclamation mark in the front. So you have your name of your picture here. And in this case, I have a cool picture here. So if you start typing, it should start showing up. And then you can see that your cool picture is showing up now. So that's pretty much the basics of Markdown. These are some of the most common syntax that you'll need. And then maybe in some future videos, we'll go over more advanced syntax that you'll need for Markdown.